Welcome everyone, and today we're diving into the art of turning long static videos into high-impact social media clips. We all know that attention spans are shrinking, and long-form content often gets buried under the digital noise. But what if you could take one webinar or podcast and automatically turn it into a month's worth of viral-ready content? My name is Scott, and I spend way too much time obsessing over content operations and making the repurposing process painless. In this session, we're going to cover why short form is king, how to master your workflow, and how to automate your entire publishing process. First off, let's talk about why we even bother with short clips in the first place. It's simple. Because attention is fragmented and people scroll faster than ever before. When you repurpose your long-form content, you're basically squeezing more value out of the hard work you've already done. Short clips are also the perfect sandbox for testing different hooks and messaging to see what really resonates with your audience. And let's not forget consistency, because posting regularly is how you build momentum without burning yourself out. So let's look at this AI-powered engine designed to transform your long footage into ready-to-post shorts. The first core feature is auto-editing, where the software identifies high-energy, emotional, or informative moments for you. Then there's the auto-schedule feature, which lets you set your posting frequency so you never have to babysit your calendar again. Finally, the content calendar gives you a bird's-eye view to review, tweak, and approve your clips before they ever go live. But remember that this tool isn't just a clip machine, it's a tool for finding the actual storylines inside your long-form content. Let's imagine you just ran a big annual report webinar with lots of complex financial data and slides. You simply drop that recording in, and the system goes to work to detect the most memorable lines and concise statements. It suggests various lengths, like 15-second clips for TikTok or 60-second deep dives for LinkedIn. It even handles auto-generated subtitles, which are absolutely crucial for viewers who are watching on mobile without sound. One of my favorite tricks is that it highlights parts of the video that are context-rich but still work as standalone pieces. Instead of spending hours scrubbing through transcripts, you get a prioritized list of ready-made clips. Compare this to the old-school manual method where you had to export, scrub, clip, and subtitle everything by hand. Then there's the frustrating workflow of using a bunch of separate tools that adds cost and creates technical headaches. This solution streamlines the process by handling detection, captioning, and scheduling in one single place. It's not magic, so you'll still want to curate the final output, but it saves you 80 to 90% of the effort. Think about a social drip campaign where you turn one webinar into 20 shorts released over 2 weeks. You can also extract teaser clips to drive traffic to your landing page or boost your email campaigns. Why not take your CEO's visionary statements and stitch them together into a compelling top predictions reel? You can even use the punchiest 6-second moments as cold targeting creatives that feel native to the social platform. When it comes to publishing, you have the choice between full automation or manual control where you approve every single post. It also handles cross-platform formatting, meaning you can export vertical for Reels or landscape for YouTube without manual cropping. People often ask if these clips can work in static formats like PDFs, and the answer is absolutely yes. If you need to change the order of clips, the content calendar makes reordering and editing your queue incredibly easy. How does the AI know what's good? It analyzes audio energy, speech density, and even visual cues like slide transitions. And regarding costs, you avoid paying for 5 separate subscriptions by keeping your whole repurposing workflow in one place. We also prioritize accessibility by including auto-generated captions on every single clip you produce. You can apply custom themes with your own fonts and colors so that every clip feels like it belongs to your brand. Ultimately, your goal is to use short, punchy content to reach people where they are already spending their time. Let the AI do the heavy lifting of editing and formatting, but keep your human taste for selecting the best stories. Go ahead and drop one of your past webinars into the tool today, and you will be amazed at the content you've been sitting on. I'm going to hand it over to Annie now, who is going to share some exciting new updates about the platform. Thanks so much, Scott, and I have some quick extras to share before we wrap up our Q&A session today. We recently launched a new Start with Video flow that recommends the best formats and lengths based on your raw footage. To answer a common question, yes, you can prioritize slide visibility in the settings so your key figures remain readable. We also handle multi-speaker podcasts. automatically separating different people and highlighting specific moments for each guest. Thank you all for joining us, and if you want to test this, just take a 40-minute recording and see what the AI generates. We will be hanging around to answer any more questions in the chat, so feel free to drop them there. We hope to see you in the next session, so thanks for watching and happy creating.